Exercise 1. Talk to an agent. As a real estate investor, you're going to be working with a lot of real estate agents. For our first exercise, we're going to do some online research and then talk to an agent. First, let's go to Realtor.com, take a look and see what kind of properties we can find, and then talk to the listing agent. I'm going to look in Atlanta today. Now click on Search and see what pops up. There's a lot of properties here, including new construction, so let's put some filters in to narrow down the list. Look, they're ready for me with Fixer Upper as a selection. The next step is to click on a property. Normally, I'd go in and take a look at the property and review the photos, but in this case, I just want you to know how to contact the agent. All you have to do is type in your name, put in your email and your phone number, and say, "I'm interested in this property." You can also add, "Can you tell me how much it would sell for once it's fixed up?" and then click on Email Agent. But what I really want you to do is talk to the listing agent so you can practice asking the right types of questions about potential investment properties. Also, real estate agents will have more information than what is available on the property listing, so it's important to connect with them directly. To do that, you need to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and it's going to show you the agent representing this property. Here's their brokerage, and here's their phone number. The next step is to do this yourself in your investing area. Find a potential fix and flip opportunity and connect with the agent. Go to Realtor.com and look in your investing area. Then filter and search for fixer-uppers. When you find a property, remember that it doesn't have to be the best opportunity in the world. The important thing is to make the call and engage with the real estate agent. Introduce yourself as a real estate investor. Express interest in the property and ask the question, what is the after-repair value of the property? Be sure to get that answer, as it will be needed when you use one of the analysis calculators. Now for a couple of follow-up questions. This is for extra credit. Ask the agent how often they work with investors. Do they know of any other properties for sale? Could they help you find other opportunities? The goal here is to establish a relationship and expand your network. While you're talking to them, say, "Hey, is there anyone else I should network with? Do they know any hard money lenders? Do they know any wholesalers?" You can use email in the future, as that can be easier and be more time efficient. But for now, it's important for you to make the call and have a great experience. Hopefully, you've passed this first test and are now working with a real estate agent. Congratulations! You've taken the first step towards becoming an investor.